Okay, Evan here, and today I'm doing a scratch thing, and unfortunately, okay, my battery isn't enough. Alright, today I'm going to work on showing you how to make your own basic chasing game. Now, I'm pretty sure I showed you last episode, so what you'll need are 2 sprites. Any sprite will do, but for now I'm going to have just a simple fire-breathing dragon. Make your sprites a bit smaller, so just right click and click resize this sprite, and you can use this to make them smaller. Smaller the better, to be perfectly honest, but not too small. You have to be able to see them. And I'm gonna have a hero, so just I'm gonna have a hero. Delete him, so you can go into anything will do. You can have a fantasy as anything. I'm just gonna have my fantasy as a knight. Okay, nice knight. Too big, so I'll just resize him, make him smaller. Bit too big there. Right, so about this size, and then I'm just going to have a background. Just going to import one, and I'm gonna have it outdoors. And I'm going to have him doing this on parking ramp. Be perfect. Oh, he's a bit too small there, so I'll just make him slightly bigger. And I'm just gonna pause recording for a minute. Okay, sorry about that. Anyway, getting back to where we are. We have our 2 sprites and our background. Now the code for this is quite hard. Okay, so it's kind of advanced. Now you want your hero to be able to move, don't you? So we go into control, and as I show you, to get him to move, we get those 4 and these 4. And then you click on them, find out which one this is, so I'll make that up. And I'll make this one down. Then I'll make this one go right. Then I have to put in my minus here. And I'll make this left. So he's able to move. Now we want him to be able to move a fair distance to be able to outrun this lad. So I'm going to make it move 20 steps. Also, you can go onto the website. There's a Scratch website where you can do this stuff, and it allows you to play on other people's games that they've made, so go check it out. It's pretty awesome. You know what, I'm just making him be able to move 30. Please subscribe. I want some subscribers. Okay, now that he's able to move, we can just get this stuff out of the way. And now I need another one of those. And space key pressed. We need a forever bracket. And then, sorry, just gonna go check something. Sorry. Just save this. And I'll call it game. I'll just call it game. Okay. So just pause recording real quick. Okay, I'm back. And I'll just sorry, back here. Okay, what you do is get a forever bracket, then you get an if, and I'm just gonna call the dragon, just gonna call it just dragon. And for this lad, I have if I have to go into sensing, and I have to get if touching sprite 2, which is our dragon. Then I have I have to do this. I have to go to variables and make a variable. Oh god, sorry. I'm gonna call it lives. And I'll have set lives to say 5. So use 5 lives. And if touching sprite 2, I'll say sorry, change lives by God damn it. Sheesh. Change lives by -1. So I'll just try that out, see if it works. And he's touching. And the lives go down. It's crazy. So I have to make then I have to put in this wait 1 second. So let's try it again. Oopsies. Let's put in my 5 there. Sorry, I'm having a bad day today. Okay. Let's try this again. Jesus, okay. Still having a bad day. Stop it, you stupid ass. Jesus. Okay, so here we go. Click. I touch him, I get -1. And I'm gonna make it be a bit dramatic, so I'm gonna say, ow. And then, you know, I might just do change, say, whirl effect. So check this. It's activated. He says touching, and then ow. Sorry, I got something wrong there. Stupid me. So here we go again. Ow. And he gets whirled a bit. So he gets kind of bashed up. But I'm going to make that whirl 50. So he gets a bit more whirled up. See, ow. Ow. And ow. Then I'm going to say oops. I'll take another if bracket. And in it, I'll put operators. And I'll put this. And I'll do it if lives equal 0. Say I am dead, and he will, and yeah, so he will say I am dead. So I'll just give you a quick example. I'm just gonna leave him there. And there goes the final life. What? What's going on? Obviously did something wrong there. Ow. Ow. and another L. And yeah, there we are. And then I'm gonna do this little handy thing there. Stop all. And that's my script for this guy. Now I still have to do my script for Aldrakun. So that's gonna be pretty simple. I'll just have oopsies. Get this. I'm gonna have him move not 10 steps, that's too fast. Say 3 steps. I'll take another forever bracket. Put it around this. And then I'm gonna do, I'll have an if oh fuck, this thing fucking nuts. Okay, after that, sorry, computer went out there at the window. I have to get this one, and if lives equal 0, say you are dead. Okay, let's give it a try. Oopsies. Sorry, forgot one thing. Also need to have if on edge bounce okay, sorry, I'm just messing around with that. I'm obviously gonna have him go a lot. Gonna have to have him go a lot faster. 5 steps. Okay, let's give this a shot. Not too big, not too small. Oh. Ah, crap. Oh shit, okay. One life left. I'm missing that. Ah. I'm a survivor. Okay, and that's it for the episode. And I'm just gonna end it right there.